think I got it finished up. I think it looks okay. I'll flip the camera so you guys can check it out. Tell me what you think. So that's it. It's all white. Got everything put back on it. Got the bumpers. Like I said, that bumper's not probably going to be there very long, hopefully. Yeah. Got a little bit of overspray right there that I need to clean up. It's actually from the primer. But, yeah, there's a few spots. Wasn't ideal, like right here on the weather stripping. I didn't get it taped super good, and it kind of got a little bit overspray, but I think for the most part, turned out okay. I didn't realize how roughly sanded I had done, how bad of a job I had done for the Bondo. You can definitely tell where I left the Bondo, which is unfortunate because I think otherwise it would have been a lot better if I could have sanded it down a little better. But yeah, anybody who's also paying super close attention probably would have noticed that these are different tires. I found some tires cheap on Facebook Marketplace and took them down and had them mount them for me today. But yeah, I think it looks good. Let me know what you think.